Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make jelly filled donuts. So let's get started. To make the dough, in a medium or large bowl, add in the warm milk, instant dry yeast, egg that's at room temperature, butter that's been melted and cooled, and sugar, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add in about half of the flour. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the rest of the flour. And add in the salt. And mix it until it comes together into a dough. Add more flour, 2 tablespoons at a time if it's too soft. Turn the dough out onto a floured work surface and knead it for a couple minutes until it becomes smooth, adding more flour to keep it from sticking. Place the dough into a medium bowl that's been lightly greased. Turn the dough over a few times to coat it in the oil. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour until it doubles in size. When it doubles in size, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and roll it out until it's a little thinner than ½ an inch. You don't have to roll it as thin as I am, but keep in mind that if the dough is too thick, the donuts will not cook all the way through. Then use a 3-inch cookie cutter to cut out the donut shapes, dipping it in flour to keep it from sticking to the dough. Gather up the scraps. Press them back together. Don't knead them back together or the dough will retract when you roll it out. Roll out the dough again. And continue cutting out the donuts until the dough is used up. Place the donuts onto a baking sheet that's been lightly floured. Cover them in a clean kitchen towel and let them rise in a warm place for about 45 minutes until they're puffed up. Then to fry the donuts, heat a large pan with about 1 inch of oil in it. Add in a candy thermometer and heat it until it gets up to 350 degrees. When it reaches 350 degrees, carefully add a few donuts into the pan. Don't crowd the pan or it will drop the oil temperature and it will take longer for the donuts to brown and they will be greasy. And fry them for about a minute until they're golden brown. Adjust the heat so it remains 350 degrees. Then flip them over and fry them for about another minute until the other side is golden brown. When they're done, remove them from the oil and place them onto a cooling rack set over a baking sheet to drain excess oil. And do that for the rest of the donuts. When they're done, leave them until they're just slightly warm or completely cooled. Then use a chopstick or skewer to hollow out the inside of each one. Then fill them with the jelly of your choice. And finish them off with a dusting of powdered sugar. And that's how to make jelly-filled donuts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.